Top 15 banks investing in Kenya government securities, 2024 versus 2023. Government securities are a key investment for banks in Kenya, providing them with a secure and stable return while supporting national development. This video highlights the top 15 banks that have invested in Kenya government securities in 2023 and 2024. The ranking is based on the amount invested by each bank, as reported in their Q3 financial statements, highlighting changes in their investment levels over the 2 years. Each bank plays a crucial role in the Kenyan financial sector, serving millions of customers and contributing to economic growth. Now, let's take a closer look at these banks and their investment amounts. Number 15. Citibank NA Kenya. Citibank Kenya, a branch of the multinational Citigroup, significantly reduced its investment in government securities from 50.0 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 28.8 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This decrease suggests a strategic shift towards other investment opportunities or increased lending activities. Despite the reduction, Citibank remains a key player in Kenya's financial sector. Number 14. SBM Bank Kenya Limited. SBM Bank Kenya, a subsidiary of the Mauritian-based SBM Group, has been steadily growing its presence in the Kenyan banking sector. Its investment in government securities increased from 34.9 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 36.1 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This indicates the bank's focus on low-risk investments to enhance liquidity and profitability. Number 13. National Bank of Kenya Limited. National Bank of Kenya, NBK, now a subsidiary of KCB Group, has been a key player in Kenya's financial sector for decades. The bank slightly increased its investment in government securities from 44.4 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 47.3 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This move highlights NBK's strategy to maintain financial stability while supporting government borrowing. Number 12. Stanbic Bank Kenya Limited. Stanbic Bank, a subsidiary of Standard Bank South Africa, increased its government securities investment significantly from 37.0 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 54.6 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This marks a strategic shift towards safer investments. Number 11. Bank of India. Bank of India, another Indian-based bank operating in Kenya, slightly reduced its investment from 68.2 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 63.4 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. The decline suggests strategic adjustments in its investment approach. Number 10. Standard Chartered Bank Kenya Limited. Standard Chartered Bank, one of Kenya's oldest banks, saw a significant increase in its investment in government securities from 53.6 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 65.4 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This growth highlights the bank's strategy of maintaining a conservative yet profitable portfolio. Number 9. Prime Bank Limited. Prime Bank is a mid-sized financial institution with a focus on business banking. The bank increased its investment from 67.6 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 71.8 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024, indicating a growing appetite for stable government-backed investments. Number 8. Absa Bank Kenya plc. Absa Bank Kenya, formerly Barclays Bank Kenya, slightly reduced its investment in government securities from 77.7 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 72.4 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. Despite the decline, Absa remains one of the largest investors in government securities, balancing risk while ensuring consistent returns. Number 7. I&M Bank Limited. I&M Bank, known for its focus on high-net-worth clients and corporate banking, increased its investment in government securities from 84.6 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 96.2 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This increase shows the bank's confidence in government bonds as a stable income source. Number 6. Bank of Baroda, Kenya, Limited. Bank of Baroda, a subsidiary of India's Bank of Baroda, has been operating in Kenya for decades. The bank saw a slight decline in its government securities investment, from 113.7 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 110.1 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This suggests a shift in investment strategy or increased focus on lending activities. Before we reveal the top 5 banks that have invested the most in Kenya government securities, take a moment to support this channel. If you're finding this information useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss important financial insights. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Now, let's dive into the top 5 banks. Number 5. Diamond Trust Bank Kenya Limited. Diamond Trust Bank, DTB, is a mid-sized bank with a strong focus on SMEs and corporate banking. The bank slightly increased its investment in government securities from 129.0 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 129.6 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This steady investment reflects its strategy of maintaining a balance between lending and secure government-backed investments. Number 4. NCBA Bank Kenya plc. NCBA Bank Kenya, formed from the merger of NIC Bank and CBA Bank, is a major player in corporate and asset financing. The bank slightly reduced its investment in government securities from 200.8 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 178.4 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. Despite this decline, NCBA remains a significant investor, using government securities as a key instrument to manage risk and enhance financial stability. Number 3. Cooperative Bank of Kenya Limited. Cooperative Bank of Kenya primarily serves cooperative societies and individual customers, making it one of the most trusted financial institutions in the country. Its investment in government securities grew significantly from 185.1 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 211.6 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This increase demonstrates the bank's confidence in government securities as a low-risk investment avenue while ensuring a strong liquidity position. Number 2. Equity Bank Kenya Limited. Equity Bank Kenya is one of the fastest-growing banks in the region, known for its strong financial inclusion strategy. The bank increased its investment in government securities from 242.5 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 258.9 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024. This growth highlights Equity Bank's strategy to secure stable returns while supporting government borrowing. Its commitment to expansion and innovation makes it one of the most influential banks in Kenya. Number 1. KCB Bank Kenya Limited. KCB Bank Kenya is the largest bank in Kenya by assets and market share. It has been a dominant player in the financial sector, providing banking services to individuals, businesses, and corporate clients. Despite a slight decrease in its investment from 325.6 billion Kenyan shillings in 2023 to 314.7 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024, KCB Bank remains the top investor in government securities. The bank leveraged these investments to maintain liquidity and ensure steady income from interest earnings. That wraps up our breakdown of the top banks investing in Kenya's government securities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think these investments benefit Kenyans? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.